I was hiking on Mount Kita in Japan, trying to climb my midlife crisis away, and my knee starts swelling up. Contacting my insurance agent meant a long-distance call. Thinking about the charges hurt more than my knee.
Ouch.
Luckily for me, I downloaded their app, so I can talk to them directly in one click, 0 charges. I had a doctor online with all my details, so he probably figured out that I'm not really a professional hiker. Not yet, anyway. He explained how to bandage my knee right then and there. Oh yeah, no doubt my insurance reached new service peaks. You know what they say.
Ain't no mountain high enough.
Digital Click-to-Call. Toll-free call replacement for the digital era. Boundless CX, unwavering loyalty, redefining excellence.